Today we'll talk about how can you create your iCloud on your iPhone. So all you have to do, in first you just click here on settings, then it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on sign in to your iPhone. You just click on it. It's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do next, so you just click here on forget password here, or don't have any Apple ID here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here on create Apple ID. So then it's going to take you to next step here. Here add your first name. I'm going to add my first name here, and here your last name. So then here add your birthday here. You just click here to select your year. So I'm going to add my year here. So then here you select month and you click on continue here. So I'm go back so to select here. So when you don't, just click on this side, and here you select your day and you click here on continue here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then here add your email address if you have it from your iPhone. If you don't, you just click here on don't have any email address here. Click here on get an iCloud email address. Then here add your name from, so your name here added. I'm going to add my name here, because you will find here arroba icloud.com. You just have to set your name. So when you set your name, you click here on continue here. Then here click here on create email address here. Then it's going to take you to this list here, add your password. So you just add your password here. You repeat it here again. So then you click here on continue here. Then you just switch into open video like this, and here you set your phone number. I'm going to add my phone number here. Then you click here on continue here. So then you just switch into open video like this. You get your verification from your phone. So I'm going to wait to get my verification code. So when you just add your verification code here, I'm going to add it. So here when you add your verification code, automatically here it's going to add with you on your it's going to add with you like you see here. And here you just go down, you click here on agree here, you click on it down. Then here like you see, it's going to send in to your in iCloud on your iPhone. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.